skeletons dance in the moonlight bright. Sugar skulls giving such a fright. Candles glow in the chilling night. It's a party full of festive might. Celebrate with laughter so deep, memories of loved ones so near. In our hearts they'll always be here. Calaveritas bringing cheer. Marigolds line the paths we tread, guiding spirits from beyond the dead. Everywhere colors burst and spread, smiling faces, turning heads. Celebrate with laughter so deep, memories of loved ones so near. In our hearts they'll always be here. Calaveritas bringing cheer. Listen to the strumming guitar sound. With each note we're heaven bound. Spirits join us as we round. It's a joyful feeling found. Celebrate with laughter so deep, memories of loved ones so near. In our hearts they'll always be here. Calaveritas bringing cheer.